All right, looking at the gradient from 2 points, the first thing that you need to do is you actually have to mark out those 2 points. So I've got 1, 2, so I'm going to put my first point there, and 2, 5, I'm going to put my second point there, and then I'm going to draw a line in between them. I'm trying to find the gradient. So then I go, all right, what's the rise? 1, 2, 3, over the run, which is 1, 3 over 1, so the gradient is equals 3. Looking at the next one, let's just do that one. -2 and -4. So put my first point there, and then 2 and 3. Put my next point there, draw my line. What's my gradient? I'm going to do my rise over run. can I make that small? I don't know. All right, so then I'm going to count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over 1, 2, 3, 4. So my gradient is 7 over 4. I hope that helps.